Independent woman. Nowadays, it is in Indian culture. I mean, as well now it's coming that we they are trying to empower the women and trying to make the women independent. First of all, you need to know who is independent woman. Independent woman is a woman actually who is financially sound and who is decision maker and decision taking of her own life, and who is aware about everything and who knows the consequences of everything and who knows the all the orders, whether it's a religious or a social orders in the society. That's called an independent woman. A fully highly aware and highly educated and highly intelligent woman is an independent woman. Independent doesn't mean that you are earning but you don't have in your hands that awareness, that knowledge, that skill, and you don't have such a kind of, potential and ability in you. You are not an independent woman. You are just in a money making machine. You are earning well, that's fine. You are an earning woman, not an independent. There is a difference between earning woman and an independent woman. Independent woman means who is solely and wholly and solely responsible for the taking the decisions, for making the decisions, for knowledge and everything. She is doing everything by her own. But nowadays, people are miscalculating that an earning woman with an independent woman, there's a difference between earning and independent. That's earning, okay? So earning woman is, she is earning, but all that, everything, a life and decisioning, everything is with another person. Somebody else is doing that. That's called earning woman. That's not called an independent woman. So now in this era we are living in nowadays, everybody is talking about the independent woman. Actually, I think independent women are the most beautiful women on this earth. They know how to behave. They know how to, take the decisions. They know how, at what time I have to say what, and at what time I have to take what decision. And an independent woman is actually having, I think, more qualities and potentials, more awareness and intelligence, than others. And you should know in this era that how to behave with that independent woman. Number of, people do not know. They are trying to make the woman empowered, they are trying to make the woman independent, but they do not know how to behave with that independent woman. They are thinking that this is, she is an earning, she is independent, but then they are trying to behave with that woman like, with those women who are earning simply. So there is a difference between uh, the behavior, which the behavior you are choosing with the earning woman, and then the behavior should be different with the independent woman. Independent woman is not like that. She will listen your crap. She will listen your limitations. She will take your false anything in their life. Independent woman is a woman actually. She cannot limit herself for anyone. There is no limitation for that independent woman in their life. So you should always think a independent woman is having a very different mindset. She is not like the earning woman. She is not like the woman who is, housewife. She is not a woman like any other woman. She is a completely different, spirit on the earth. Independent woman, you cannot limit the independent woman, that you are trying to limit her ambitions, you are trying to limit her values, you are trying to limit her voice, you are trying to show her that there is something which is not correct with you. You cannot raise the voice in front of the men or in front of the number of people or in the society. No, you cannot treat her like that. You cannot choose the independent woman's dressing sense. It is her life. It is her dressing sense. It's not yours. I mean, and dressing sense has nothing to do with the character. Dressing sense has nothing to do with the independent woman. Dressing sense has nothing to do with a with the genders. Okay, so you cannot then trying to limit her like, this is not right and this is the wrong. You are trying to, a person who is trying to limit a independent woman, and who is trying to, limit your ambitions, who is trying to limit your decisions, who is trying to limit you in your life, is not your man. You have to always remember that. Is not a man who is fully aware actually in the society that how to treat an independent woman. You should know fully first that how to treat an independent woman. Independent woman is not like you are expecting that she will be controlled by you, just because you are you just love her, just because you are just her partner, just because you are her parent, just because you are her brother. No, it is not like that. It is completely different. If you are trying to make the women independent in the society, then learn to behave with independent women at every step, right? So it means if you are trying to limit her, you are just you are trying to making her a earning woman, but you don't want to actually make her independent. That is actually the truth. Then you need to accept it. If you want an independent woman, then you cannot try and then control and then control her, ambitions. You are trying to control her life, you are trying to control her life partner, you are trying to control her choices, you are trying to control her desires, you are trying to control everything. No, you cannot do that. It means that you need a woman who can earn well, but then you need a dummy in front of you to whom you are going to control that everything. No, it is not working with the independent woman. You need to know first yourself that how to behave properly with an independent woman. Independent woman cannot allow you to come and interfere in their life. In her life, no, you are nowhere. You are no one to come and interfere. You cannot come and interfere in her career. You cannot come and interfere in their love matters. You cannot come and interfere in their relations. You cannot come and interfere in their profession. You cannot come and interfere. You are not trying. You are. She won't allow you to. You come and limit their boundaries, right? So you cannot try to limit her, that you cannot go far beyond than anything, right? So you need to know actually first that how to behave properly with an independent woman. So because independent woman is highly aware, she is highly intellectual, you cannot control her for their own goods, for their own wills, for your own desires. No, you cannot do that. So before helping in the society to create more and more independent women, learn to behave with those independent women properly. Number second is independent women is also should have some boundaries and limitations. You should always be ready to say people no when they are trying to disrespect you, when they are trying to show you that your limitless ideas are wrong, when they are trying to come and interfere in your matters, when they are trying to come and interfere in your career, when they are trying to come and interfere in your dressing sense. No, you should always first learn how to say no people. No, you cannot come and you cannot cross your boundaries. You have to be in your boundaries. Okay, you cannot cross any independent woman's boundary. Okay, so boundaries are very necessary in the life. I would suggest that a parent who has created an independent daughter, any person who is helping in a woman to be independent. Okay, a person who is looking an independent wife, a woman who is independent as a wife, okay, as a partner. So they should know first how to behave with that independent woman. They should know how to talk with an independent woman. They should know you cannot try to control her ambitions. You cannot try to control her voice. You cannot try to silence her voice. You cannot try to throw your tantrum on her just because she is not giving you the control. No, it won't work with her. It won't work with her. You will always lose. You should know that that independent woman is more intellectual and highly aware than you. There might be the possibilities that independent woman to whom you are trying to uh, you are trying to cross your boundaries might be more intelligent, might be more aware than you, and you might be just an mosquito in the cup of a tea. She will took it and then throw it out. Just always remember that. Don't cross your boundary with the independent woman. And I would also suggest with all the independent women that you should not need to worry and fear about all these behaviors which people are trying to sow on you. Because you have to always remember one thing Dr. Iqbal has said, that उकाबिरू बेदार हो जाती है जब नौजवानों में, नज़र आती है उनको अपनी मंजिल आसमानों में. तो अगर आपको अपनी मंजिल दिखी है अब आसमान की तरफ, उसको बरकरार रखे और पहुंच जाए उधर. Sky is the only limit for you. You have to only understand this word, that sky is the limit. No man can come and control you. No man can come and limit you for somewhere thing. A man who is trying to कट योर विंग्स, जो आपको अपना पंख काटने की कोशिश करेगा और आपको लिमिट करने की कोशिश करेगा और आपको आपका प्रोफेशन छुड़वाने की कोशिश करेगा और आपको अपनी ज़िंदगी में आपका इंडिपेंडेंसी को एक कोई वीकनेस बनाकर आपके सामने प्रेजेंट करेगा, इज़ नॉट अ मैन फॉर यू. यू हैव टू ऑलवेज रिमेंबर. And you need to distance yourself. Either it's a brother-in-law, either it's a brother, either it is a father, it is a somebody else. You need to maintain your distance. Or it is a friend, it is any boss, it is any colleague, it is anybody in the society who is trying to cross their boundaries or cross their limits towards you. You need to learn them no. Okay, you need to learn to say them no. You cannot come and interfere in my life. Okay, like that. If you are an independent woman, yeah, if you are dependent, just allow them what you are. It's then completely your life. If you have not fully embraced your potential, if you have not recognized your potential yet, then you can allow anyone. But if you have recognized your own potential and your own abilities, your own skills, your own knowledge, and you have to once you have recognized that intelligence you are carrying inside you, the awareness God has given you, you are spiritually working on the high realm. Don't allow people to come and interfere like this. It will only bring in a lots of depression in your life, and it will bring anxiety in your life. So you need to embrace the your independency. And I would suggest all the independent women and who are like me, and that be like you are, and do not lose your that stillness which God has provided you. There are a number of women who are even not getting the chance to go forward. Nowadays societies and educationists and every philosopher is working to help the women to go forward. But then if you feel anywhere that there is some person who is coming and then trying to ruin your total independence and ruin your peace of mind and everything on the name of security, on the name of woman, on the name of respect, on the name of career, on the name of what society will talk about it. Let them talk what society is talking. It doesn't matter for you. You should not bother about what people are talking about all. You should not bother what your relations, what your neighbors are talking about it all. You should not bother what all other people are talking about it all. No, you should not limit yourself just because somebody is talking about you, just because somebody is trying to control you, and they are just spreading that nonsense about you, and that they are spreading that lies and that crap they are talking about. Let them talk. It doesn't matter for you. You should not worry about that somebody is talking nonsense about me, somebody is talking crap about me. Let them talk. How does it matter for you? You know your potential, you know your own value, you know your own limitations, you know that sky is the limit for you. Then why are you worrying about things? You should not worry. So my students and my all people are always telling me, ma'am, you are our inspiration. And if you are really my students are saying that you are our inspiration. If I'm really your inspiration, if I'm really inspiration for everyone, then you always remember one thing, that Dr. Iqbal, what has Dr. Iqbal said in his poetry is कि उकाबिरू जब बेदार होती है नौजवानों में, उनको नज़र आती है अपनी मंजिलें आसमानों में. सो यही होता है कि देन स्काई इज़ द लिमिट फॉर यू. ओके. और हमारे पास समाज ऐसा है जिसमें कि इंडिपेंडेंट वुमन को बहुत सारा मुश्किलात आ जाता है. सो उसमें कोई वरी नहीं करना चाहिए. वो तो पता ही है, ये तो आ जाएगा. आई हैव टू फेस दैट, राइट. यू हैव टू बी रेडी टू फेस दैट ऑल. राइट. So अगर आप रेडी नहीं रहेंगे, then you have to limit yourself, then you have to lower down your own voice, then you cannot go anywhere alone, then you cannot dream big, then you cannot be in every field, right? And then you cannot achieve your own goals, then you cannot work for your own aims, then you cannot be you can call it an ambitious woman in your life. Then you have to, live your life as what people are trying to force their own ideas, their own ideology, and that everything on you, right? So you should not see your life what others are trying to show you. This is the life. No, see, आप अपनी ज़िंदगी को अपनी दो आंखों से देखिए, और आप देखिए आप में क्या है, what is the great in you, what is potential God has given you, that potential which nobody carries, those abilities which other people are not carrying, even not men, even not so many people. So there is no man and a woman, okay? It is the only concept of a bad guys in the society who are trying to make themselves very special. We are special somewhere. So it is not like that, okay? If I am always saying that independent doesn't mean to disrespect the father, mother, or somebody else at your home. Independent means that you are respecting the men, you respect them with their own potential, and you respect them that they are men and their father, their brother, their officer, they are, any special person in the society. They have a special, their own traits, their own potentials, their own abilities. We respect you, but do not allow any person to come and then devalue you. You should not accept that. वो चीज़ एक्सेप्ट नहीं करें आप, राइट? सो आप यही चीज़ एक्सेप्ट करें, ओके फाइन, I have to respect everybody's potential. If he's a man, he is having more potential than me, okay, I will respect you. You have more expertise, more skills, more beautiful character, and you have lots of spiritual knowledge, you have lots of religious knowledge. I will respect you with the core of my heart. And if tomorrow you are my husband, I will respect you as my husband, as my lover. But it is just not mandatory that you come and then you are trying to limit me. No, you should not give anybody, chance to come and then limit us, okay? If a person is coming and they are trying to limit you, they are trying to limit your career, they are trying to they are insecure basically, and they are trying to वो अपना इनसिक्योरिटी आप पे थोपने की कोशिश करेगा, और फिर आपको कंट्रोल करेगा आपके करियर में. एंड देन योर एम्बिशन इज, देन योर लाइफ, देन योर डिसीजन इज, देन योर चॉइसेस, देन योर डिज़ायर्स. दैट्स नॉट योर मैन. आपको हमेशा याद रखना है कि एक जो बहुत ही हाईली इंटेलिजेंट आदमी होता है, जो नस्ली, जिसको आप कहेंगे नस्ली आदमी जो होता है, जिसके पास बहुत ही ज़्यादा अवेयरनेस होती है, जिसके पास बहुत ही जो है इंटेलिजेंस होता है, स्किल होता है, और जो बहुत ही नॉलेजेबल होते हैं, बहुत एक्सपोजर्ड होते हैं, बहुत सिक्योर मैन जिनको आप कहेंगे. आई कॉल दोज मैन अ किंग, ओके? आई कॉल दोज मैन लॉयंस. जो सच में लॉयंस होते हैं, वो हमेशा जो है आपके पंखों को उड़ान देंगे ऊपर 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 तक ले जाने के लिए. एंड दे नेवर क्वेश्चन यू ऑन योर get up, on your clothing, on your lifestyle, on your जो भी आप जो है ज़िंदगी में करना चाहते हैं. दे ऑलवेज सपोर्ट यू इन दैट. अ पर्सन who supports an independent woman, a person who respects an independent woman is your man. You always remember that. एक ऐसा इंसान जो है वो आपको हमेशा जो है आपको पंख देगा, आपको उड़ान देगा, ठीक है ना? एक हाईली जिसको आप इंटेलिजेंट आदमी कहेंगे, एक हाईली कैपेबल पर्सन, आपकी कैपेसिटीज़, और आप एक हाईली पोटेंशियल पर्सन आपके पोटेंशियल को समझकर उनको बहुत ज़्यादा उड़ान देगा, और वो आपको ज़िंदगी में हर मकाम पे वो इज़्ज़त देगा, वो एहतराम देगा. Because that man knows that she is an independent woman and she is having equivalent potential and everything like me and even more than me. So वो आपको वही ज़्यादा इज़्ज़त करेंगे, एहतराम करेंगे, और मोहब्बत तो वो अपना पूरा ज़िंदगी लुटाने के लिए तैयार हो जाते हैं. So you should not